So hi everyone, today we're talking about what a nearest neighbor Q-learning algorithm in multi-agent reinforcement learning, that is MAL. So basically, in case of nearest neighborhood Q-learning, we would be using DQNs, and we would be feeding alongside the state the action of the other agents present in the environment, so that the deacon can consider these agents actions also, and eventually give you the best action possible. Now what advantage nearest neighbor q learning gives us is that, assume that we have a war game we are trying to train a war game where we have a huge number of agents, 1000 2000 agents coming into the picture. Now you can't be feeding in the actions by each of the agent to the network, because in that case the input becomes very huge, right? So nearest neighborhood q learning helps us in this case, because it is based on the idea of kn, and that is k nearest neighbor, which suggests that the action taken by an agent depends upon the nearest neighbor agents and not all the agents. So like understanding this with an example, assume that you're playing PUBG and you landed in Pochinki area. I think you must have heard of it. Now your action won't be chosen by the enemies present in hospital or school, but the enemies present in Pochinki, right? So these are the nearest neighbors that are also influencing your action. So instead of feeding the action for all the agents into the DQN alongside the state, we would be choosing out, say K, say three or four nearest agents for the current agent, and then feeding the current state alongside the nearest neighborhood agent's action, and then we will be training a DQN for that. This is called as nearest neighborhood Q learning.